Today I want to talk about roof elements. So right now you have a building with nothing, essentially nothing on the top. Two different color roofs, black, gray, so almost like you have two sections of the same building, just a different type of roofing. Here I had decided to put one of these little grate plates. Inside there's a little fan. Focus in a little bit. You can see it inside there, so it's a little bit of a detail element. But overall it still looks kind of plain. So I'm just going to add a couple of roof elements and kind of walk you through what I'm attaching to the roof. So the roofs typically have AC ducts, piping, just miscellaneous items. So I'm going to add some of that today. So one of the first things I'm going to add is some kind of vent. So this is, I got a 2x3 piece, a couple little 2x1 detail elements, 2x4, a slope, 3x4 slope, and then a flat piece on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on here. See if I can do this without caving in my roof. There we go. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to go ahead and add another little vent piece. So here I'm going to add these 1x pieces. The length really doesn't matter. This is just what I'm going to use today. I put in some flat tops just to make it nice and clean. Let's see if I can not cave in the roof. There we go. So I'll just put that there. I'm going to put a little end piece to it. Just a little vent looking type piece. Just going to add that right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add a little, just like a little vent. So these are all 2x2s, just different shapes. I guess I'll just put that here. So I essentially just put everything in random places, wherever I just think it would look good. I'll add, this one is a 2x4 flat top, one of these sloped, detailed 2x1s. I guess I can just add that here. Actually, I'll just slide it right here. And I'll just put that right there. Or better yet, I'll put it on this side. There we go. Alright. Now, one of the things to keep in mind is just do it however you want. Whatever you think is going to look good for your roof. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2x4, a couple of 2x2s. I'll just add that over here. There we go. Better yet. And then I'm going to go ahead and add one of these. It's just a slope piece, solid, with the little detail top. Put that right here. Just put that right there. Why not? And if you want to add any antenna elements, I have the black and the gray one. For this one, I'll just add a gray one. So I can just put that here. Why not? Then I'm going to add a little bit of piping to this. So the piping I'm going to use are going to be these. And it just so happens these will fit right here just right. So I'm going to add a couple of these just right alongside that. Perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a satellite dish. So I'll just throw a nice little satellite dish here. Putting it that way. So those are just some small details you could add just to add a little bit of elements to your roof. And you know what? I'm going to add my little bird on here. bird on my roof. So hopefully that just kind of gives you some ideas for stuff you can add to your roofs, just to add some detail and make it look a little cleaner. Okay.